Hi everyone, here we've got Redmi Note 10 Pro, and let me share with you how to change picture quality on this device. So first of all, let's tap on the camera app, and since we are in the standard photo mode, we can tap on the settings icon in the right upper corner. Here we've got further settings, so let's tap on it, and as you can see at the very bottom of the mode section, we've got the picture quality, so simply tap on it, and here we've got three different options from which we can choose. We've got high, standard or low, so in order to change it, all you have to do is simply tap on the one you'd like to set, and as you can see, I've picked standard, and since this moment it is notified right here, and from now on the device will take photos right in the chosen quality. But I really highly recommend to set high, because this is the best possible quality in this device. So actually that's all. This is how to change picture quality in your Redmi Note 10 Pro. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.